Hi, my name is Justice Miles, and these are my tips and tricks for a quick gig. So let's say you're preparing for a quick flamenco gig and you'd like to pack super light. So the first thing I would say is to get a makeup bag and pack miniature makeup because it will make your life so much easier to pack miniature makeup. So Tarte makes this amazing small eye palette that has these beautiful neutral colors. It's very compact and easy to go. And you can also buy miniature makeup brushes to make your life easier as well. Additionally, Tarte makes a really great blush that's great and it doesn't make me break out, so it's great for sensitive skin, and so I really appreciate that. Tarte also makes a really great BB tinted moisturizer and foundation, and I really like the eyeliner from Tarte as well because it doesn't wash off or move if you sweat. Additionally, MAC makes a great miniature lipstick, and I really like this eyebrow shaper as well. Another thing that can be really helpful for a gig is to pack your jewelry in a tin so it doesn't get smashed. So this tin has a brooch in here, and it also has some flamenco earrings in here, which will protect them from getting smashed. Additionally, it's really great to also pack hair products as well. And so I would recommend packing miniature hair products to make your life easier as well. So one thing I would recommend packing is a miniature wet brush, which is great for a lot of different types of hair, some hair cream. If you are a person of color, it can be really helpful to get some edges gel and an edges brush to lay your edges flat if you're putting your hair in a bun. And I do think it can be really helpful to have some hair ties that match your hair and some bobby pins that are thick enough to support your hair as well. And this hairnet can be very helpful as well. And then I would say for the final touches, you can get your flores and you can get your penecillos as well. And then you are ready for the gig. So hopefully that is helpful, and happy packing and happy dancing. Thanks so much.